Here, in this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, everything is on standstill, but essential supply in commodities were continuous in flow. The government initiatives have stood by you, where buyer and sellers has a connectivity point. Digital mechanism came in acknowledgement. So many of the platforms have been utilized to replace physical functions of market where buyer meets seller physically. Now digitally mechanism is used. So here warmly welcome you new learning phase.
Has a connectivity with the producer, a place where manufactured goods or the service rendering activities take place in the search of their customer, a place where producer has a link with the consumer, where the production reaches to the ultimate destination is market. And we are discussing various form of market. So the first form, the most forward form, is perfect competition. Perfect competition means a presence of number of firms to deliver the satisfaction to the consumer. A competition is there to have the business, to have their earning. It is a continuous theory of market structure that reflects number of buyers and seller selling the homogeneous product. एक ऐसी जगह परफेक्ट मार्केट कंपटीशन कहलाती है जहां पर नंबर ऑफ बायर्स है, नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स हैं, एक जैसा प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. एवरीवन इज रनिंग इन ऑर्डर टू हैव their share of income. There is no presence of one individual or a big seller which can influence the market. Every firm has small business or large is just running with the competition and rendering the service to the customer irrespective of the clock, because online market is also there. And here, perfect competition says industry is price maker and the firm is price taker. No influence of any factor on price is there. As I said, everyone is contributing their share. They are running in a race in order to have profit maximization, which is delivered in first section of picture. एक ऐसी पिक्चर जो आपको दिखा रही है कि हर सेलर भाग रहा है कस्टमर के पीछे, because there is large number of sellers and large number of customer. Examples of perfect competition, your agriculture market, because there is number of farms, there is number of farms produced, there is number of markets, free softwares, your street food vendors like momos shop at every 5-meter distance, your Maggie points, etc. came in existence. So everyone is running in order to expand their share, because their share will rise their profit. So there is perfect competition. There is perfect connectivity between buyer and seller takes place in perfect competition. But few assumptions have to be discussed. Few assumptions. हम कुछ चीजें अपने आप मान कर चलते हैं, कुछ चीजें अपनी धारणा में रखते हैं. वो फैक्टर्स कहलाते हैं assumption. हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि परफेक्ट मार्केट में वो प्रोडक्ट सेल होगा जो होमोजेनियस है, कंप्लीटली आइडेंटिकल है, सब उसके बारे में जानते हैं. एवरीवन इज नोन टू इट. एवरीवन इज हैविंग प्रॉफिट मोटिव. वी अज्यूम दैट वी कैन एंटर इनटू द मार्केट एंड वी कैन एग्जिट विद आवर ओन विश. कोई सर्टेन बैरियर नहीं है. कंज्यूमर पूरा प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानता है. एवरीथिंग इज इन द एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ कंज्यूमर. Customer have every set of information about the product and service, and this is done through advertisement. In this competition of market, there is number of seller, there is number of buyer, and every bit of the information about the product is there in the accessibility of the consumer. So we will mark these points as discussed for the competition of perfect market competition. Large market, because there is number of buyers and sellers. Homogeneous product, identical product. Cheap and efficient transportation, because there is connectivity between producer and consumer, so we need transportation. And that is cheap and efficient because we have to keep the cost lower. because the price is decided by industry. Every information is at the center of the customer, so there is perfect information available. Government do not have very good restrictions in it, less, because government gives less restriction because they have the perfect market forces running demand and supply. So we are discussing one by one feature. Now, large number of buyers and sellers. As every individual business contribute their share, their sales, their customer satisfaction for having the perfect competition. No one can influence price. Due to the presence of abundance of seller and buyer, every individual firm have their supply and discount to the market supply. Every firm gives their share of output in the satisfaction of the customer. हर फर्म, हर बिजनेस कंज्यूमर को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए डिलीवर कर रहा है. So no individual firm can influence market price and supply, because every supplier and every customer has a connectivity. So no individual factor work over here. So there is proper applicability of competition. Everyone marks their presence, everyone have their accessibility, and this makes it clear that market price will not be influenced by anybody. It will perfectly going to fluctuate as per the demand and supply factor and decided by market, and industry is a price maker and firm is a price taker. जैसे एग्रीकल्चर मार्केट में हर प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस मंडी में तय होता है, उसके बाद आप ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे कहीं करा के देख लो तो प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट सेम होता है. दैट्स वाई, बिकॉज कॉम्पिटिशन इज देयर. And the picture you are marking right now is the pandemic COVID-19 perfect market picture. Everyone is having mask or gloves in order to have proper health care functioning. Now the social distancing picture is shared with you as essential supply is continuous, and this marks you that perfect competition is still there in the pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. Now, second and the most interesting feature of perfect market, homogeneous product. Under the competitive market, everyone is marking the sale and every firm is marking their presence, and the firm is selling the product and services, rendering out for the satisfaction of the customer. So they marks homogeneity, which means to say that they will going to have identical in shape, size, color, quality, etc. एक ऐसी जगह जहां पर आपको सारा प्रोडक्ट हर चीज का सेम मिलेगा. You will find them similarity. So there is no specific preference to buy from the particular seller. You can buy one packet of kurkure and chips anywhere at the same price. There is packing is same. So there is competition. No one can influence price. Just prominent feature is that you can buy it from any seller. There is proper mobility of the customer, which can be attracted and can be invited just by the client management. Your way of behaving with it. So I have shared one picture of the agriculture market because it is perfect market competition best example. Now the third feature, freedom of entry and exit. As there is no certain legal and technical barrier. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको मार्केट में आने के लिए बहुत सारी लीगल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस चाहिए, प्रोसेस है. नो, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. You can enter as you want and you can start up your business because there is complete market forces which runs out the development activities. You can exit as per your wish according to the financial condition and financial stability of your business. So you are marking another perfect example because nowadays essential shops are running under the pandemic COVID-19. This marks the business and the presence of the customer is there. So look, there is number of seller which offers you essentials and number of buyers. Check it out the implication. What it implies? It implies that if any firm will make supernormal profit, यानी आपका प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हो रहा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली न्यू बिजनेस उस बिजनेस में अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. It marks you to say that if your firm is earning very good profit, then other firms will get attracted to it, and automatically it will build up a competition, as there is no restriction to enter into a market under the perfect competition. So everyone have the supply effect will work over here. As the supply will increase, automatically the price will be lower down, and which will reduce your profit. So ultimately your firm will going to make a normal profit due to the uniform price. So there is complete competition, which marks you with the presence of this feature in the perfect competition. Now we were going to discuss the next point over here, the perfect knowledge about the market. As every customer has the accessibility of advertisement. It can be a newspaper advertisement, it can be a online or digital marketing. Everyone is playing the game of marketing in order to attract the customer. So every customer is aware of the seller and a place where he wants to buy out the goods, whether it is physical market or whether it is digital online working. Every buyer has the perfect knowledge because of advertisement about the price and quality of the product. So all sellers have the perfect knowledge about the factor of the market. Equal accessibility of technology and input is used. Equal cost structure is there, and that's why price fluctuation is minimum due to the market forces like demand and supply. Now I have said enough for the perfect competition. So आप एक picture देख लीजिए बेटा. Everyone is marking the seller. Seller is initiating to have buying from the buyer, and this is going to have a connectivity chain, because the product will deliver from the side of seller and buyer will pay price for it. So there is complete money circulation for the picture said in perfect competition. So everyone marks now the connectivity. So there is in perfect market competition said to be that no selling cost is there. Selling cost always borne by firm. For sale promotion, that includes advertisement and etc. आपका कस्टमर की पॉकेट में एक प्राइस ट्रांसफर होगा, सिर्फ उस प्राइस में ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड होगी आपकी कॉस्ट. आप उससे सेपरेट सेलिंग कॉस्ट नहीं चार्ज कर सकते, बिकॉज द प्राइस इज यूनिफॉर्म in the market as it is fixed by industry. Market forces plays their role in order to fixing the price. And another feature which give you extension of previous point is that there is perfect mobility of the factors, because you can use the same resources for producing another product without any restriction, because you can enter and exit the market as per your wish. This is the another extension point of the same, that absence of transportation cost, because the price is uniform, it is fixed by industry and no one can influence it. So there is no addition of the transportation cost, and that will mark you zero. वो already price में industry पहले ही include करके रखती है, so that do not give you proper separate transportation cost. So this is the point which is connected to each other in three. Now everywhere you heard the term by me, industry is price maker and firm is price taker. ये कहना क्या चाहता है? This marks you with two words, demand and supply, which makes you to say that there is market forces. Demand and supply is two market forces which runs this market, and the perfect market competition has number of buyers and sellers. So demand of buyer and seller has their supply. So this marks you with an equilibrium where demand and buyer supply will intersect, that will create one common price. ना उसकी ना आपकी, दोनों का center point, that will mark you with the common price, that is called demand, average revenue and marginal revenue for individual seller. Perfect market marks you with two main features, that their product is homogeneous in nature and large number of buyer and seller has a connectivity. So build up the competition. Every contribution of the selling marks their presence. Every supplier and buyer have their role to be played. So agriculture market, free software or your street vendors are the perfect example of it. So today we learned that industry is price maker and firm is price taker due to the market forces like demand and supply. So thank you for visiting.